Changing your username on LinkedIn is a straightforward process that allows you to personalize your profile. Follow these steps to update your username. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LinkedIn website or open the LinkedIn app and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the homepage to access your profile. Step 3. Edit your profile. On your profile page, look for the Edit button, which is usually represented by a pencil icon. Click on it to enter the edit mode for your profile. Step 4. Change your username. Locate the section that displays your current username or public profile URL. Click on it and enter your desired username. Ensure it meets LinkedIn's guidelines. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for the Save button at the bottom of the Edit section. Click it to confirm your changes and update your profile. Now your LinkedIn username is updated. Make sure to check your profile to see the changes reflected.